All right, guys, this is another one of those weird locks from the LockPicking Lebowski's collection. He must have a pile of these things. Pretty interesting looking. Got a kind of a curved keyway there. It is very, very old. I have no clue. He had a little tag that's marked. It's either S&C Company or Sargent and Company. Both of those with a question mark. So if any of you experts out there know any details about this, please put them in the comments, and I'm sure that the dude would really appreciate it. Anyway, it doesn't look like, obviously steel construction. I was trying to figure out a way to bypass it. A lot of these old ones, you can either punch out a pin, but you see they've welded it and finished it on both sides, so you can't punch the pin out. And on this side, it's got these little wings here to prevent us from shimming it, so not going to be able to do that. It's probably mechanical anyway. No other openings on this thing, and this does not unscrew or come off. So anyway, here's what the key looks like. You can tell probably from looking at that keyway that it's going to have a split key. And there you go. It looks like a little Jedi Knight buggy, kind of little wings hanging. Anyway, it flies right in there. It is split. And this is another weird thing. You slide it in like this. Notice how far that goes in. And then you have to rotate it 90 degrees. So it's a warded lever lock. Then it slides in further. Then you rotate it another 90 degrees and you get your open. And to lock it, same thing. You turn it back. Lock it, pull it out, rotate another 90, and extract your key. So what that tells me right away, it is a lever lock, and this is a spinner. That is not the tensioner. That's just designed to get in our way to keep us from jamming stuff into that keyway. So let's line this up. What we really want is something that's the same width as that little wing on the Jedi buggy. And I just happen to have my lever lock stuff that I pre-staged here. All we got to do is find one that'll kind of fit. Probably small. Let's try this guy. He's too big. Oops. He's curved. He's not going to fit in there. Maybe that one will fit. Yeah, that one will fit. All right, so here we go. Let's try it. It's almost the perfect length. In fact, it's a little bit long, but I'm just going to kind of shoehorn it in there a little bit. And then rotate him 90. And it went in further. Rotate him another. Keep going, keep going. And then hopefully everything, I can use this to tension with, and I'll stick one of these other tools up in there. Or maybe not. Check that out. I'm going to put tension on with my finger. And then maybe I can just pick those levers without having to tension it. 2. Nice little click. Fell off. Oops. I want to keep that oriented as close to the vertical as I can. That'll give me the best leverage, I think, on those levers. And there we go. Trying to look at the mechanism inside of there. Let's take that piece of wire out and put the key back in. Take a little closer look. Okay, I got to rotate him 90. I'll pull him out like that. All right. Let's see if he will go in there. And there's the locking. I don't know if you can see that or not. I'm going to hold the flashlight in my mouth. No, I'm not. All kinds of crud in there. And there, all you can really see is that locking bar. It doesn't really show you any levers. They're hidden back behind that little plate. But the locking bar, we wouldn't be able to shim it, even if I'd been able to get down in there. Anyway, there you go. The S&C or possibly Sargent and Company warded padlock. Never seen or faced one of those before. And that is a weird looking key. LockPicking Lebowski, thank you, sir, again. And I've got a few more of your locks we're going to be taking a look at. Thanks, guys.